Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Elastic Distributed Resource Scheduler? Provide backup and recovery capabilities. Manage storage resources. Automatically balance compute resources across clusters. Optimize network performance. VMware Cloud on AWS Elastic Distributed Resource Scheduler automatically balances compute resources across clusters within the VMware Cloud on AWS environment, ensuring optimal utilization and performance. Which storage service is used by VMware Cloud on Amazon to provide persistent storage for virtual machines? Amazon Elastic File System. Amazon S3. Amazon Glacier. Amazon Elastic Block Store. VMware Cloud on AWS leverages Amazon Elastic Block Store to provide persistent block-level storage for virtual machines running in the AWS cloud. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined load balancing services for container workloads? VMware vSphere. VMware Content Library. VMware VSAN. VMware NSX Load Balancer. The VMware NSX Load Balancer enables the creation of software-defined load balancing services for container workloads running on VMware Cloud on AWS, ensuring high availability and scalability. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Availability Zone distribution model? Optimize storage performance. Distribute VMware clusters across multiple AWS availability zones. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Monitor resource usage. The VMware Cloud on AWS Availability Zone distribution model enables the distribution of VMware clusters across multiple AWS availability zones, providing higher levels of resiliency and availability for workloads running in the VMware Cloud on AWS environment. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical switches and VLANs for virtual networks? VMware Content Library. VMware NSX Logical Switches. VMware vSphere. VMware VSAN. VMware NSX logical switches are software-defined switches that enable the creation of logical switches and VLANs for virtual networks within VMware Cloud on AWS, providing advanced networking capabilities and isolation. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical routers and routing policies for virtual networks? VMware vSphere. VMware Content Library. VMware VSAN. VMware NSX Edge Routers. VMware NSX Edge Routers are software-defined routers that enable the creation of logical routers and routing policies for virtual networks within VMware Cloud on AWS, providing advanced routing capabilities and network isolation. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon vRealize Automation Service? Provide backup and recovery services. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Optimize network performance. Automate the deployment and management of virtual machines and applications. The VMware vRealize Automation Service enables the automation of virtual machine and application deployment and management within VMware Cloud on AWS, simplifying the provisioning and lifecycle management of cloud resources. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Host Monitoring Service? Provide backup and recovery services. Monitor the health and performance of VMware hosts. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Optimize network traffic. The VMware Cloud on AWS Host Monitoring Service continuously monitors the health and performance of VMware hosts within the VMware Cloud on AWS environment, enabling proactive maintenance and troubleshooting. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon control plane? Enable load balancing for workloads. Manage and orchestrate VMware Cloud on AWS resources. Monitor network traffic. Provide storage for virtual machines. The VMware Cloud on AWS control plane is responsible for managing and orchestrating the VMware Cloud on AWS resources, such as clusters, hosts, and virtual machines. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Stretched Clusters feature? Optimize storage performance. Provide backup and disaster recovery services. Monitor resource usage. Enable high availability across multiple AWS availability zones. VMware Cloud on AWS Stretched Clusters enable high availability by spanning VMware clusters across multiple AWS availability zones, ensuring workload continuity in the event of an availability zone failure. Which network service in VMware Cloud on Amazon enables secure communication between on-premises data centers and the VMware Cloud on AWS environment? Amazon CloudFront. AWS Direct Connect. Amazon VPC. Amazon Route 53. AWS Direct Connect provides a dedicated network connection from on-premises data centers to VMware Cloud on AWS, enabling secure and reliable communication between the two environments. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon VMware ARIA Operations for Logs service? Centralized log management and analysis for VMware Cloud on AWS. Monitor resource usage. Optimize network performance. Manage virtual machine snapshots. The VMware ARIA Operations for Logs service provides centralized log management and analysis capabilities for VMware Cloud on AWS environments, enabling comprehensive log collection, indexing, and analysis for troubleshooting and compliance purposes. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined load balancing services for virtual machine workloads? VMware vSAN. VMware vSphere. VMware NSX Load Balancer. VMware Content Library. The VMware NSX Load Balancer enables the creation of software-defined load balancing services for virtual machine workloads within VMware Cloud on AWS, ensuring high availability and scalability. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical network segments for isolating and securing virtual machine traffic? VMware vSAN. VMware vSphere. VMware NSX Distributed Firewall. VMware Content Library. The VMware NSX Distributed Firewall enables the creation of logical network segments, known as microsegments, for isolating and securing virtual machine traffic within VMware Cloud on AWS, providing granular security controls and compliance. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Cloud Gateway service? Enable secure and optimized data transfer between on-premises and cloud environments. Optimize storage performance. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Monitor resource usage. The VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Cloud Gateway service enables secure and optimized data transfer between on-premises data centers and VMware Cloud on AWS environments, ensuring efficient and reliable data mobility for hybrid cloud operations. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of logical networks and network services using software-defined networking principles? VMware vSphere, VMware NSX, VMware ESXi, VMware vSAN. VMware NSX is a network virtualization platform that enables the creation of logical networks and network services, such as firewalls and load balancers, using software-defined networking principles within VMware Cloud on AWS. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature provides virtual machine backup and recovery capabilities? VMware vSAN, VMware vSphere Replication, VMware NSX, VMware Cloud on AWS Backup. VMware Cloud on AWS Backup is a service that provides backup and recovery capabilities for virtual machines running in the VMware Cloud on AWS environment, ensuring data protection and business continuity. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined networking and security services for virtual networks? VMware NSX Data Center, VMware vSphere, VMware Content Library, VMware vSAN. VMware NSX Data Center is a software-defined networking and security platform that enables the creation of advanced networking and security services, such as microsegmentation and distributed firewalls, for virtual networks within VMware Cloud on AWS. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined data centers in the AWS cloud? VMware vSphere, VMware Cloud on AWS Software-Defined Data Center, VMware vSAN, VMware NSX. VMware Cloud on AWS Software-Defined Data Center allows customers to create and manage software-defined data centers in the AWS cloud, providing a consistent operational model with their on-premises VMware environments. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Linked Mode service? Optimize network performance. Manage on-premises and cloud resources from a single vCenter server. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Provide backup and recovery services. The VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Linked Mode service enables the management of both on-premises VMware environments and VMware Cloud on AWS resources from a single vCenter server instance, providing a unified management plane for hybrid cloud operations. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon feature enables the creation of software-defined storage policies for virtual machine workloads? VMware NSX, VMware Content Library, VMware vSAN Storage Policies, VMware vSphere. VMware vSAN storage policies enable the creation of software-defined storage policies for virtual machine workloads within VMware Cloud on AWS, allowing for the specification of storage requirements such as performance, availability, and data protection. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Hybrid Linked Mode? Automate virtual machine provisioning. Optimize network performance. Enable centralized management of on-premises and cloud resources. Provide backup and disaster recovery services. VMware Cloud on AWS Hybrid Linked Mode allows customers to manage their on-premises VMware environment and VMware Cloud on AWS resources from a single vCenter interface, enabling centralized management and administration. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon vSphere Update Manager? Monitor resource usage. Manage and apply VMware product updates and patches. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Optimize storage performance. VMware vSphere Update Manager is a tool that simplifies the management and application of updates and patches for VMware products, including VMware Cloud on AWS components, ensuring system security and stability. Which VMware Cloud on Amazon service enables the creation of logical load balancers for distributing network traffic across multiple virtual machines. VMware NSX Load Balancer. VMware Content Library. VMware VSAN. VMware vSphere. The VMware NSX Load Balancer is a software-defined load balancing solution that enables the creation of logical load balancers for distributing network traffic across multiple virtual machines within VMware Cloud on AWS, ensuring high availability and scalability. What is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on Amazon Cloud Admin Console? Provide backup and recovery services. Manage virtual machine snapshots. Centralized management and monitoring of VMware Cloud on AWS resources. Optimize network performance. The VMware Cloud on AWS Cloud Admin Console is a web-based interface that provides centralized management and monitoring capabilities for VMware Cloud on AWS resources, including clusters, hosts, and virtual machines. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.